Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. We're tackling another request. Jeff, a new viewer to our channel, asked if I'd put together his mother's casserole. So tonight, I'm making Jeff's mom's ground beef casserole. Let's see what we're gonna need. We're starting with 2 pounds of ground beef. This is getting browned and then drained. Now Jeff wasn't very specific about seasoning, so on top of salt and pepper, I'm also adding in granulated onion and granulated garlic. I have a 14-ounce can of corn along with a 14-ounce can of green beans, mashed potatoes, and cheese. Now the ingredients are all listed right here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. I put the mashed potatoes together first because they're the most time-consuming aspect of this casserole. So let's get over to the stove and get this ground beef going. This is mostly browned. I still have a lot of liquid in here. I'm going to add in all of my seasonings. I know this looks like a lot of salt, but again, this is all the salt for this whole casserole. I used fairly lean ground beef, so I'm actually not going to worry about draining this. Okay, in the bottom goes the ground beef. Okay, I'm just smoothing this out. On top of this goes the vegetables. On top of this goes the mashed potatoes. Now, this is my buttermilk mashed potatoes recipe, and I made these extra creamy since they're part of a casserole. And to top it off, cheese. Now, Jeff wasn't specific about the cheese, and probably it was cheddar, so I've decided to use a mixture of cheddar and jarlsburg. Then this is going in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Basically, that's just to warm everything up and to melt this cheese. I'd like to thank Jeff for requesting this dish. Now, while it isn't part of the recipe, you couldn't go wrong with just a little bit of gravy. Let's give this a taste. It smells so good. Get a little bit of everything here. I let it sit for about 15 minutes. Perfect. Yeah, I still have my head cold.
Thank you for visiting Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.